Mike Maroney. Killing it with the questions today. Do you incorporate smoked malt into any of your beers? And if so, which smoked malt do you tend to use? I use smoked malt explicitly in our Helles Rauch beer called Smokestack. That beer won a medal, silver or gold, in 2021 U.S. Open Beer Championship. Tip of the hat to the esteemed Michael K. Bruckner. That beer was a baby of his when he brewed with us at Cartridge. So yeah, that uses smoked malt. It's a Helles Rauch beer, and Mike wanted to use a blend of the Beechwood smoke, the traditional Beechwood smoke malt from Weyermann, and some of the cherrywood smoke from Brees. It's a really nice blend. It's a really nice recipe that he put together on it. I think off the top of my head, the total smoke amount in that is somewhere around 33% of the total grist bill. If you like more aggressively smoked beers, you can push up to 40-50%. Some people love doing 100% smoked malt beers, like that Beechwood smoked malt from Weyermann. That's not my jam, man. Phenols come off as plastic to me in a hurry, and that just smells like you're burning your G.I. Joe, guys, when you have that much smoked malt in the beer. But I will say this, an interesting note that I remembered from reading a killer article from Julian Trego from Beechwood Barbecue. He was talking about the utility of using small amounts of smoked malts in stouts or beers that are going into a barrel. So if you're making a bigger stout, little things like that, darker beers, it can be lighter beers, whatever. But if you want to go with a light hand with something like that Beechwood aged smoked malt, or even the cherrywood smoked malt, go light hand and then dial up from there if you want a little bit of nuance. I'm thinking porters, stouts, particularly stouts. If you want to get like a little bit of nuance on the back end of a beer, see what 3 to 5% does for you, right? Especially playing off that other roast malt. Maybe just don't blast and go over the top on it, but see what 3 to 5% gets you. You can always remake a beer, right? But kind of feather that stuff in. That's something that I would want to take slow as I fold that in. But yeah, Julian Trego is saying that, sometimes it can be really nice in some barrel-aged stouts, some barrel-aged dark beers, different things like that. Some strong ales. So kind of expand that picture in your mind too. And maybe this is just me aping Jamil Zainasheff from years ago, but kind of stick with the Beechwood, cherrywood smoke stuff. Maybe not so much the peated malt. That might be a little bit over the top, but sometimes people like that wild, super intense stuff too. So if that's your thing, do your thing.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.